sex and food are very common commodities that can be bought. A man can buy sex. A man can buy food. And I'm not insinuating that men should buy sex. No, that is wrong. But it's there, it's on the market, it's available everywhere. But a respective woman who has mastered the skill of talking, treating the husband as a king is a very rare thing. And it's the thing that you need to develop as a wife. Develop the skill of making your husband feel he's a king. Even if this man is a very difficult man, he will calm down. By the way, the best way to tame a man and bring him under your control, if you want to, is to respect and submit to him. A man cannot let go a woman who respects him and makes him feel a king. It is a key for having a successful marriage if you are a woman.